How to sell items on Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about selling items on Roblox. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to check that if the item can be sold. For that, you need to launch your favorite web browser, then search for roblox.com and log into your account. After that, head over to Marketplace that you will find in the top between the charts and create option. Tap on it. Once you're over there, if the item is limited, it can usually be sold. Look for the resellable section. If it says no, the item cannot be resold, to sell an item, go to your profile and then go to inventory. Find the item that you want to sell. If the item is limited, click on it and you should see 3 dots in the top. And if you can sell the item, you will see the sell item option and then click on that and you will need to set a Robux price. So Robux will take 30% cut and after the item is sold, the Robux will be added to your account balance. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.